How to know if you're blocked on Facebook Messenger. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists set for each app, and let's get started. So in order to know if you're blocked or not, we need to see how sending a message looks in Messenger when you're not blocked. So we're gonna open Messenger and open the account or the chat that you want to know if he blocked you or not. As you can see, this is a test account. Let's send a message now before we block. So let's say a dot and send it. Now let's first go to and close dark mode. And as you can see, this fill tick means that your message has been delivered and you're not blocked yet. This tick means that either this guy is not connected to the internet, so the message is not delivered yet, or this guy blocked you. So I'm gonna now block this account, the used account here on this messenger, from the test account. Now, this is what appears when we blocked this account. As you can see, it tells you that this person is unavailable on Messenger, and this is how the Messenger profile appear for you. And that's it. That's how you know if you're blocked on Messenger or not. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.